We are in the walk between Najaf and Kerbala. In these walks you have thousands of mawaqib, the largest of which is behind us, pole number 110. Keep watching. Let's take a look inside and see what sort of services are being provided. We see hundreds of volunteers, all who take rotational shifts. From our understanding, there are at least 3,000 meals being prepared at every hour. Beyond this, there is a diverse range of foods being provided here, from breads to pastries, lamb to chicken, and all sorts of drinks. And just remember, brothers and sisters, this is all for free. So here we are seeing an ice cream production facility. Temperatures are reaching up to 50 degrees Celsius. And this Mawqib 110 is thinking of intuitive ways to cool down the Zawar so they can arrive at their destination in a very cool and calm state. As the sun is coming down, it's beginning to get a bit cooler. The Zawar are getting ready for their dinner. And Mawqib 110 is preparing 8,000 kilos of chicken to be distributed for the Zawar's dinner. Just take a look behind me. The hundreds and hundreds of Zawar ready to be served their dinner as the sun comes down, and they continue their journey on towards Abu Abdullah al-Husayn alayhi salam.